digital manufacturing. While unquestionably the future, it's no secret that we're not quite there yet. The biggest problem? We're not as connected as we should be. With GrabCAD from Stratasys, we're building a platform that brings connectivity and accessibility to digital 3D printing ecosystems. First, we brought you the GrabCAD community, a free, collaborative space where over 3 million engineers hash out ideas, find inspiration, share knowledge and CAD files. Then we took it a step further and built GrabCAD Workbench. And now, GrabCAD Print is taking the mystery out of 3D printing. Take a look. Want to have your CAD and print it too? Now you can. No more wasting time converting to STL. No more dumbing things down. Just view and print your CAD in all its high-res glory. Get visibility into available resources, see printer schedules, check printer status, queues, usage, and errors all from one window. Control multiple printers and technologies from a single app. Remote teams rejoice. Connect to the cloud to schedule a print and receive notification on its status. With mobile monitoring, you can check on your progress from your desk, home, or anywhere in between. 3D printing has gone without serious business intelligence for too long. So, we fixed that. Reporting and analytics features allow users to see business-critical data in real time by material, printer, project, and team. Community, Workbench, Print. This is just the beginning. Together with some exciting partners, we can shape the future of digital manufacturing. Learn more at GrabCAD.com.